Clean is the best way to request on-demand dry cleaning or laundry services. We're here to help you easily find your favorite best dry cleaners or laundromats so you can get back to your busy life. We've modernized dry cleaning and laundry operation to provide you the convenience, control, and accuracy of requesting pickup or delivery online. No more drive to your local dry cleaner or laundromat. You can now conveniently find the best dry cleaner or laundromat, place a pickup or delivery order online, and send it electronically to the local cleaner. Begin by pressing Enter Your Address to check. Select Use Your Address option or enter your address on the search field. Cleantie will display the cleaners that offer pickup and delivery service to your location or are available nearby. From the available options, select the location that is close to you. You can click on the business name and read the customer's review, ratings, pickup and delivery hours, prices, etc. Type your address and see the best cleaners in the area. Review the cleaner's ratings, price list, and delivery schedule. Download the app today and discover the best way to do your dry cleaning and laundry so you can get back to your busy life. The app is available on both App Store and Google Play.